Hello YouTube, I'm here to show you how to do a battery replacement on an iPhone 4. First of all, you're going to want to turn off your iPhone, like so. Make sure it's completely powered off before you begin the repair. Second, you're going to want to acquire your screwdriver, either a Phillips 00 or a Pentalobe TS1 screwdriver. I'm using a Pentalobe screwdriver. Then you're going to remove the screws, like so. Make sure you do this in a well-lit area. I'm not, but I have a white cloth here to make sure I don't lose my screws. Second, you're going to take your two thumbs and slide up, or you can take your hand like so and push up. Then you're going to lift off the back cover. As you can see, my battery is very messed up because it's been water damaged. I was able to save my phone with the rice. So yeah, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a plastic spudger, which I have to find first. I'm very disorganized, I apologize. I found one. You want to take your plastic spudger and you're going to lift very carefully on this connector here. And if there's a screw there in your case, just unscrew the screw first and then lift up on the connector, but mine didn't have a screw. It's because I've been in my phone before. Then you're going to take the tab and you're going to lift up and you're going to take the battery out. Then you're going to take your replacement battery and you're going to put it in like so. Place it down, take the connector, and you're going to want to make sure it's seated right. Perhaps you can connect these first. Like so. You'll want to connect it. It's actually quite difficult. There you go, I got it. Make sure it's nice and connected. Then if you have a screw there, it's going to be a Phillips 00. So just put the screw back in, and if not, put the battery cover back on, like so. Take your two hands, pressure and put down, and put in your screws. And then power on your iPhone. As you can see, the phone works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to sign out. Thank you.